All right, what's up everybody? Another day, another video home tour. So today we're gonna be looking at this Plan 5, which is the Laurel by Woodside Homes. This is a 3-story home where you have an option for a 2 to 3 bedrooms, 2.5 to 3.5, with a bonus room and a covered deck at the great room and a deck at the primary with a 2-car garage. And you also have extra storage. Now, this one has 3 elevations. Elevation A will start you off at $522,990. Elevation B will start you at $527,990. And then Elevation C is at $537,990. All right, so in this one, we're gonna go inside, we're gonna take a look, and we're gonna see what this is all about. Did a really good job on the stucco. Typically the stucco, you get all this like wavy stuff, right? Especially when they're like bigger pads like this. And I love the control joints with the stucco. And a lot of builders are starting to do that now, because when you have a piece of stucco that's one whole piece, it tends to crack. But as you can see, you got the control joints here, which is really nice. Beautiful stone. Now the garage here, it looks like it is out back. So technically this is the front of your house. Let's get this angle here. Let me know in the comments below, as far as, 3-story homes, what you guys' thoughts. All right, so you get all the pavers here. We have a side yard. Let's see what this is all about. Now this is a little bit unique because the front of the house is facing east here. The sun here sets on the west, so if you want more sun exposure, this is not the right house for you. Because of this 3-story home, you're going to get a lot of shade all the time, okay? Just something to keep aware of. Also, if you notice, there's not a common wall in between, but there's a wall right here. So what this means to you is, let's say if you bought this house, here is somebody else's wall. If you are planning on putting plants, do not put plants against the foundation of this person's house. Because if something gets damaged here, you will be liable. Also, we have the gas line here, which is also included with this build. There's a lot of stuff that's included with this build. Now, they do have lots available. Now, they're also doing some spec builds, and they do have standing inventory. And I've seen the prices, like some of these pricing that they've cut down is about $50,000. All right, comes with that Ring doorbell here. So let's go inside. Let's see what we have. So you do get the 18 by 18 tile in the entry and the wet areas. These are the 12 by 24s. This has been upgraded. So as I come in, off to the right, we have a 6 by 8 slider. This is a vinyl slide. Takes you out to the back. Then what do we have? A bedroom here? All right, let's go take a look at this bedroom together. Now with this builder, it does come with the 9-foot ceilings, which is great on all the floors. So with this type of lifestyle, this is good. Like if you're gonna rent out this house, they would just always stay on the first floor here. You got Delta fixtures. That's who they are contracted with. Coat closet, okay, not bad. And this is your 2-car garage, but it looks like we can't get in there. But let's take a look here. What do we have? Extra storage. Now, I have not been in this house before, so we're looking at this together, so it's a surprise. So we've got a couple steps. But notice we have some orange peel texture, straight edge on the cornering here. Baseboards looks like about a 5-inch baseboard. All right, let's make our way up to the main living area. So it looks like there's tons of upgrades here. You have the flooring. Love that kitchen. Now, standard does come with the maple cabinets, and it's the 42 upper maple cabinets, okay? Now, that being said, you know, you guys have the option to do the upgrade. Now, one thing I do want to mention that with the maple cabinets does come with the 3-inch crown as well. This one you have distribute sounds, a lot of can lighting. Now these recessed can lighting, I don't really care too much for them. A lot of builders are starting to lean towards the LEDs, which is, I think the LEDs look better, just more streamlined. These are shaker cabinets, they're full overlays, as you can see. You got GE packaged appliances. Depending on your taste, you can do the cook countertop. You've got also the Blanca sink as well. Let's take a look at this. Dishwasher here, undermounted Blanca sink. They say it's stain resistant, but I don't know. So looks like we have some double stack cabinets too as well. And if you notice, this model has a lot of windows that bring in a lot of light. A lot of builders are starting to lean towards that direction. I love that slide right there. A lot of light is definitely coming into this house. Let's take a look at the pantry. What do we got on the pantry here? So this is a glass door. However, we know that this is an upgrade. Now for this community, for this master plan, it's gonna run you $60, okay, a month. Then you have the sub, which is this neighborhood here, and that's $89. Now that gives you a total of $149 a month. But wait, there's more. You do have special improvement district, which is gonna cost you $492 a year. Beautiful cladding. You got the chevron pattern, which is really nice. But I just love how open this is. Now all the other bedrooms are gonna be upstairs. Now let's take a look at this patio here. Look at this. Look at that view, folks. Now when it comes to this decking here, something I wanna share with you, okay? I would highly recommend, if you have any plants or anything like that, do not let the water sit, because you can actually damage this to the point where the stucco is ruined and it goes to the subfloor, then you run into a problem. Just make sure it is sealed, okay? And that's something that you would have to do on a consistent basis for maintenance. All right, let's go upstairs. Let's see what we have here. I guess we got another window. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15. Okay, so it looks like the laundry room is on the 3rd floor. So if you're on the 1st floor, you're gonna have to run all the way up to the 3rd floor. This is a front load, okay? Typically you're gonna have a door here that opens up, but it looks like the front load's sticking out a little bit too far. Additional cabinets, your attic access right here. Excuse me. Excuse me, my throat's getting a little bit dry. So here's your primary, which is not that bad. But again, we have another deck here on the 3rd floor. Gorgeous. Now when it comes to the 3rd floor here, I mean, 3-story homes, it's just a whole different lifestyle. You got an outlet here, which is really nice. Take a look at the eaves and all that. Everything's good. 9-foot ceilings. Let's take a look at the bathroom, see what we're working. Oh, so there's another closet here. I was gonna say, is that it for the closet? But no. Okay. Now let's go take a look at the bathroom. Now, if you notice, the vanity is 36 inches, which is the adult height, which is great. That actually comes standard as far as the height. Walk-in shower, we got the 1x1. And then we have our water closet. Look at that, we got another window. Turn this around. And we have a makeup section. Or section. All right, let's go take a look at the other bedroom. What we got here. This one's not that large. Okay, it's not that bad. Looks like these guys upgraded the 4-can lighting here, but also you have your own bathroom, which is really nice. Like that. At least it's a junior suite, right? You got the aqua tub here. Love that tub. For a fiberglass tub, I really do like that. Just nice and wide. All right, guys, that's pretty much it for this video home tour. If you guys haven't had a chance to subscribe to this channel, y'all know what to do. Hit that subscribe button. And if you guys don't have a real estate agent, we definitely would love the opportunity to earn your business. But most important, let me know what your thoughts are about this property. Can you see yourselves living here? All right, guys, be blessed now. If you guys want to check out all our video home tours, we have over 1,800 video home tours. Just go ahead and click on this video right here. If you guys are in the market and you want to purchase a home and want to get started, visit lvhomeexperts.com. Scan this QR code right now. Also, if you guys just love real estate and want to get into real estate, go ahead and subscribe to our second channel. Until next time, peace.